the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Moto Z3 Verizon Prepaid. So this is a new phone for Verizon Prepaid. The Moto Z3 has been out for a little while now on Verizon, but it finally made its way to Prepaid of Verizon. So yeah, so there's a phone right there in front of you. It's a very nice phone. I am a big fan of Motorola, so yeah, big phone that looks big as hell. I do like that clock. I'm a big fan of that clock, you know. It has a 18:9 screen. It's available in one color, and it's $480 at Verizon Prepaid, but it isn't too bad. This is kind of like a mid-range phone here, so not too bad. The specs on here are not terrible at all. It is what it is. It's not a flagship phone, but the specs on here are not terrible, like I said. Alright, it's available in one color only, and that is ceramic black. Alright, cool. So like I said, there's the phone right there. There's the clock. I like that clock a lot. You have a Motorola logo at the bottom right here, and you have a microphone right down there where my mouse is. Right on the top, you have an earpiece, front-facing camera, and all that good stuff. On the right side, it looks like you have a volume buttons, and then your power button is on the right as well. Let's run over again. Here's the back of the Moto Z3. You guys have dual camera system here, dual flash, your Motorola logo, and your Verizon logo in your mod connector for your moto mod. Alright, so it has that on there. So that's pretty cool. And it has a button on the side there. I think the right side has your volume button, on the left side is your power button, I think. So yeah, I think your fingerprint is on the right side of the phone, right? So it's kind of weird how Motorola did it with this phone. Just like the power button on the left side, and it's like a volume button on the right side, but you know, it is what it is. Your power button is on the left side, guys, alright, and your fingerprint sensor is on the side on the right. So this is the right side of the phone. You guys have a fingerprint sensor right there, and your volume button right there. Camera does stick out on this phone. There is your volume button. That's your power button right there. That's your power button on the left side. Alright. So yeah, it says here, celebrate your mobile experience with the Moto Z3, the world's first smartphone that can be upgraded to 5G using moto mods. Talk, text, and chat for up to 24 hours with a long-lasting 3000 mAh battery. Immerse yourself using a 6-inch full HD Super AMOLED display. It is full HD plus. Take stunning pictures and videos with dual 12-megapixel depth sensing smart cameras, or transform your smartphone using moto mods for projecting movies, recording 360 videos, and accessing Verizon's 5G when that is available in 2019. So there is a 5G moto mod out there, and you guys can slap that on the back of the phone and get 5G signals as a win. It says get the most out of your Moto Z3 with Verizon, the nation's best network. Alright. So the Moto Z3 has 10 days of standby time, 29.7 hours of talk time, dual 12-megapixel cameras on the back, and I think it's 8 megapixels in the front, I think. 3 inches width and 6.13 inches height. Alright. So it says here, experience Verizon's 5G network. Be the first in line to enjoy lightning fast speeds with the launch of Verizon 5G. With the attachment of a 5G moto mod, you will be able to seamlessly run apps, browse the internet, and explore the world of virtual reality on a next generation network. So that 5G moto mod is not out yet. It comes out sometime in 2019, because 5G is not out just yet. But you guys can get that moto mod and expands 5G on this phone. So this is the world's first 5G phone. So that is pretty cool there. So yeah, that's pretty interesting there about the motor mod and all that. So yeah, it's pretty interesting feature. So the selling point of this phone is its 5G motor mod. That's what its selling point is. It's the 5G motor mod. So yeah, so it's powered through your day. Get access to your smartphone from dawn until dusk and every moment in between. The Moto Z3's 3000 mAh battery lasts up to 24 hours per charge, and you can refill in up to 12 hours in just 30 minutes using turbo powered charging. Alright. Upgrade with motor mods. Alright. Project a movie over a flat surface in your living room. Capture a 360-degree picture and video in stunning 4K resolution, or add extra battery life to your phone. With motor mods, you can choose the enhancement that works for you and transform your Moto Z3 with a snap. So those are the mods right there for now. You got the gaming pad, you got the speaker, the projector, which is my favorite one, and you got the 360 camera, and you got a camera thing on there, and you also have a 5G motor mod on there as well, which is not available just yet. Unleash your creativity. Capture stunning photos in any light using dual 12-megapixel depth sensing smart cameras. Personalize your creations with advanced editing tools for mixing colors and blurring layers, or use cinematographs to animate a chosen subject, like the blades of a windmill or the crashing waves of a beach in an otherwise still image. Get more from your display. This designed for comfort, the Moto Z3 includes an aluminum body, 2.5D shape corning over the glass and rounded corners. Experience deep, vivid colors on a 6-inch edge-to-edge Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. A max vision 18:9 ratio lets you get more out of the picture before needing to scroll. Right? Interact with your world. Translate a book cover, learn more about a park statue, or search for similar chairs, sofas, and furniture to fit your home decor using just the camera. Google Lens can analyze your environment and offer useful information like reviews, store hours, historical facts, and more. So it has Google Lens on there, so that's pretty cool. So it's kind of like Bixby Vision on Samsung phones, but Google Lens is available on a lot. Google Lens is available on a lot of Android phones, even like Motorola and all that good stuff. So Google Lens is on there for y'all to use if you guys want to do that. Personalize your security. Alright. Easily access your home screen using the Moto Z3 Advanced Facial Recognition software, or unlock your device, authenticate apps, and even make payments using the fingerprint sensor. No password is needed. So your fingerprint sensor is right here, guys. Your fingerprint sensor is right here, so that's a win. It says maximize your productivity. Effortlessly navigate your phone using quick and intuitive gestures. Gently turn your wrist to open the camera, or make 2 quick chopping motions to activate the flashlight. Your favorite features are easier to access than ever, and with Moto Display you can catch a glimpse of your notifications and reply to text messages without even unlocking your screen. So it has the Moto actions on that, and you guys can flip your wrist to open your camera, and you guys can do the chop thing twice to turn on the flashlight and turn off the flashlight. So that's pretty cool. Speed things up, shall we? Enjoy a faster, more streamlined experience while watching movies, playing games, or switching between apps. The Moto Z3 Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 and 4 GB of RAM work together to work together for faster load times and better performances. So yeah, the Moto Z3 has Snapdragon 835, which is last year's processor for flagship phones, but it still is not a slouch either. It's 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage, so not too bad. So like I said, the specs on this phone are not too bad. They're pretty good. So what you guys get in the box, you guys get the Moto Z3 pre-installed SIM card. It's a nano SIM card, wall and USB charger, SIM removal tool, quick reference card, product safety and warranty, ICS brochure, whatever the hell that is. So the Moto Z3 is a world device where it works in over 200 countries, depending on your plan. Standby time 10 days, usage time 29.7 hours, dual 12 megapixel cameras on back, 8 megapixel front camera. The width of the Moto Z3 is 3 inches, the weight is 6.61 ounces, so it's a bit hefty. The height is 6.13 inches, my bad. And the screen size on the Moto Z3 is 6.01 inches, Super AMOLED Full HD Plus IPS 18:9 ratio, 2160 by 1080 pixels, right? 3000 mAh battery. Battery is not removable, Android 8.1 Oreo. 64 gigabytes of ROM. It's 4 gigabytes of RAM. Expandable memory up to 2 terabyte. Ceramic black. Its star ratings are hearing aid network. It has Snapdragon 835, 3.35 GHz octa-core. It also has HD voice, which expands HD voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. And if you guys need help with your Moto Z3, Verizon is here to help out with that with device support, so check it out. If you guys want to learn about a feature on the Moto Z3 or settings or anything like that, device support from Verizon will help you out with that to help you with your Moto Z3. So there it is, guys. The Moto Z3 is now available at Verizon Prepaid for $480, which isn't too bad for this phone. The specs on here are pretty good, you know what I'm saying? So I do like this phone a lot. I'm a big fan of Motorola, so this phone looks very nice. The specs on here are pretty good, like I said, not bad for $480. And the selling point of this phone is its 5G modem mod. So this is the world's first 5G smartphone, is the Moto Z3. So yeah. So that's pretty cool there. So whenever Verizon launches 5G, you guys will be able to get that 5G modem mod and use it on this phone, alright? So that is a win. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.